your favorite family doctor, Dr. Lesego from Blue Heart Medical. Thank you so much for joining us again on Know Your Health Tuesdays. Today, we'll be talking about slow metabolism and hypothyroidism. So slow metabolism is when your body does not digest or break down calories fast enough. So it ends up being stored as fat in the body. And people with a slow metabolism actually struggle to lose weight as well on low-calorie diets. Contrary, people with a high metabolism can actually eat as much as they like, and their body just burns it really fast and they don't even gain weight. So symptoms of a low metabolism, it's weight gain, difficulty losing weight, thin skin, dry skin, brittle nails, brittle hair, constipation, mood swings. So those are some of the symptoms of a slow metabolism. So there are a number of causes, such as lack of sleep, medication. There is certain medication that can cause a slow metabolism. Genetics, of course, there are those of us who are of a hefty build, and that's just how we've been since we were kids. That is genetic. Diet, hormones, lack of exercise, age. So we know that older women tend to be prone to a lower or slower metabolism. Significantly low calories. So I think a lot of us didn't know that if you cut too many calories, it actually predisposes you to a slow metabolism. Reduced muscle mass. We'll come to that one shortly. So hypothyroidism. So this is when the thyroid hormone, which sits somewhere around here, doesn't produce enough thyroid hormones, right? And it disrupts things like your heart rate, body temperature, and all aspects of metabolism. So you end up having very similar symptoms, or basically the same symptoms as people with a slow metabolism. So they would feel really cold sensitivity, they get cold quickly, difficulty losing weight, and they end up gaining weight, depression, constipation, dry skin, brittle nails, etc. So if you do have hypothyroidism, you can come through, we can do a blood test to confirm that you do have hypothyroidism, and we would then put you on the relevant treatment. So what can help with slow metabolism? So what we need to do is we need to eat protein. So that's what builds muscle mass, right? Muscles actually use up calories faster. So when you have muscles, I know that when you're exercising, people don't want to build muscle because muscle weighs more than fat. So when you're looking at the scale to look like you're not losing weight, whereas you're actually gaining muscle, which is really beneficial and good. So the idea is to gain muscle. So eating protein helps you to gain muscle. Doing high intensity interval training is good, as well as lifting weights. So it will help to build your muscle mass. Sleeping well, so good sleep hygiene. I think this is a topic for another day. Can talk a lot in depth about sleep and why we need good 8 hours of sleep a day. But sleeping well is actually very helpful in increasing your metabolism. Your body gets to rest, it gets to digest the food that was there, and it focuses mainly on the digestion and not on all other things. But there's a number of reasons why sleep actually increases your metabolism. And obviously staying hydrated. So what to avoid? We need to avoid sitting for too long. I know a lot of us have office jobs. Consider a standing desk or walking around every couple of minutes, 45 minutes if you can. Just take a short 5-minute walk. That's actually shown to be very beneficial in terms of metabolism and health, overall health. Calorie restriction. So we need to avoid severe calorie restriction. It actually achieves the opposite effect. I know if people would be wanting to lose weight and then they end up almost starving themselves, having fruit, the whole day, or smoothies the whole day. If it doesn't have enough calories, it actually has the opposite effect. It slows down your metabolism and your body gets concerned what's going on. We're in a starving state. I think we need to store this fat instead of releasing the fat and burning those calories. And obviously we need to reduce stress, because stress does increase stress hormones. It makes us prone to retaining calories and gaining weight. Thank you. I hope you found that to be helpful. And I will see you again next week, Tuesday. Remember to send in your questions. You can DM us, you can give us a call, or send your questions on our WhatsApp line. I'll see you next Tuesday. Keep well and stay healthy.